Hello, Angelo Santos here. So with this tutorial, I will show you how you can put background image. So if you want to have a background image, this is not putted on the container section, but instead on the block section. So as you can see, as I click on specific elements, you will see that there will be this page or the element hierarchy. So that means the text is inside this container, and this container is under also a container and inside the block. So this is the page hierarchy. And what you need to do is go to the block section. You can click on this breadcrumbs. You can call this breadcrumbs on the block section. And in this block section, you need to set the background. So you can click this pencil icon. Once you click that, the style editor will appear, and then you will choose this background. Here you can choose the image of what image you want to put. So I already have specific images, but if you don't have, you can just simply upload the image. But for this example, let's just try to put this one, and I will select this as template, and automatically you can see that this is already uploaded. You can also put an overlay color on this color. This is the overlay color, and once you set the color, you will see that this will have effect on your background as well, and you can set the transparency so it will have this effect. So this is the transparency, and I hope this helps you, and have a great day everyone.